Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm just starting my day off with a protein packed breakfast. Eggs, mushrooms, avocado, gluten-free bread. Do not forget to take my vitamin D, 3 tablets. Please make sure you do. And a cup of tea. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. What's going on in my car right now? Basically what it is, the language keeps on changing into French or something, as you can see, like into French, and the speed keeps on changing into kilometers. It's well strange. I don't know what's going on here. I really don't. Look, I don't know what language that is. Something definitely strange going on in my car. Guys, look at the queue at Heartland's hospital. Are you joking me? I'm just at my mum's. I slept at night at my mum's because remember I said in the previous vlog, well, previous few vlogs, that mum hasn't been feeling well, and I don't know what they're doing at the hospital, to be honest. Like, they've given us so many antibiotics, and then another doctor sees it and said, oh, those are not the right ones, they're the wrong ones. And you know, my mum's body's shaking because of the antibiotics. She was alright before that, and now she's like a total mess. She can hardly stand up. Her balance is really bad. Guys, I just want to give you some advice. Whenever you take your mum to hospitals or doctors, please speak to the doctor. Make sure he's giving the right medication. Make sure you read the side effects leaflet as well. Make sure that they really pay attention to, you know, your loved ones, because they're trying to fob you off sometimes. You just have to be very careful. I know they're trying to do their job, but because they're in a rush, they can't play with someone's life. They can't. I'll explain about this another time, what my mum went through and what I went through, but today's not the day. I'm just sleeping on the sofa. Mum's on the bed. She just needs somebody to be here tonight. Obviously I've got a family and stuff like that, but they can't sleep on the sofa, so I just thought and mum feels more comfortable me sleeping on the sofa with her, because she knows that, you know, I know about the medical field, and she feels more comfortable, and I just wanted to be there for her. So yeah, I'm just here with mum. Mum's just having breakfast. She's going for breakfast now. Yeah, I'm just gonna go home. I've got a day off today. I'm gonna go home, and then I'm just gonna like have a little lie down, and I'll pick the camera up as I go along and keep you guys updated what I'm up to today on my day off, obviously. God, I'm still half asleep, but I'm talking like a habit. Why am I talking so much? Anyway, I'll speak to you in a bit, and I'll thank you for joining me once again on my journey. Breakfast at Bargie's. Mum's in the morning, delicious as always.
What has Emma got in her plate? You got some biryani and
Emma
some
bought me
meat?
some food.
Lamb. Oh, Emma's coughing. I think the spice has got in her throat. Has it got in your throat, Em? Em's bought me this drink as well. What is it, Em's? Pineapple soda. Oh, I never had that one before.
Breakfast again, another day. Protein packed. Beautiful. How gorgeous is the sky? Mashallah.
Picked me up on a very busy day at work. We've got about 30,
Another
40,
disaster in
15
my car.
patients, and
Pick me
I
up
was
break, and look
dying
what
for
happened.
something to eat, but look at the disaster.
As always, the sauce just gone everywhere.
Honestly,
Story of my life.
flat white. I'm just a walking disaster. Guys, remember when I was saying that when it starts raining, people that don't have cars, all of a sudden they have cars? A classic example. Every corner, every route I'm taking, there's queues and more queues. Where all these cars come from? I did say that in my last vlog, didn't I? People that don't have cars all of a sudden have cars. I don't know, overnight. Do they just get cars overnight or something? Or do they know it's raining, so let's go hire a car? What?
Time wants to use it. If anybody wants to buy this rowing machine, let me know. £25.
Yeah. Honestly, if I had room in my, I would take it today, because I love rowing machines. I used to go gym, well, I still go gym, but I use it all the time. I would love to have one at home. I really would, but no room. Like, where would I?
At my sister's, having
house.
pasta.
Again, Friday evening feast.
Both of us together.
Pasta. thoroughly enjoying it. With the poached egg.
Basil on top, some cheese, mozzarella. Enjoying it with my sister, and some garlic bread, gluten-free bread. That's my sister's bread.
Guys at Poundland, looking around, doing some shopping. I really like this bathroom item. Look, they've got faces. I think it's really cute. Well, Poundland is great. Look at the cotton buds, containers, really stylish with bamboo tops. These frames look so expensive, everyone. Look how expensive these frames look. I know it's Poundland, but not everything's for £1. I don't understand that concept, but maybe you do. This finish
from Poundland.
from Poundland are £5 for like 18 in there. And look at these
ones
from Aldi Magnum.
£3.99 and
these are £3.99.
That's what I meant to say.
Works just about the same, to be honest.
You can see the whole range of Easter activities. We've got a game here, where is the bunny? We've got some like bunnies on chicks to stick on the windows. We've got like loads of craft ideas. That's really nice. Some bunny lights. And then you've got like DIY fake maps. How pretty this is.
That's really nice, isn't it?
It's really nice. And then you've got,
Imagine having a home that size.
oh my god, these are, you know me, I love ducks.
Yeah, you're a little duck yourself, aren't you, love?
Big duck.
Elena Mustafa will love that. That's pretty, isn't it? Put outside your door. Like what is it, reef?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
let's not forget the chocolate at Easter.
Chocolate's the best bit, isn't it? Yeah. You can treat yourself, just be careful of your diabetes though. You don't want to be an insulin and you don't want to take tablets. But you can have a little treat here and there, can't you? Well, my friend Amina, she always loves the treats.
Who loves after 8?
I do.
If you love after 8, then
But I don't
leave a comment
understand,
below.
what is the concept of this? Do you have to have it after 8 o'clock?
Maybe.
These are nice, the Hearty Hearts. Amina, do they have gelatin in them?
They do, they have beef gelatine in them.
Have you read the ingredients? What does it say?
There you go.
Oh, okay, guys, you can't have that, they're not halal. But if you don't have to have halal, they look really nice.
You've got this. If
Yeah,
anyone
fudge.
loves fudge.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Mother's Day cards. Mother's Day, 10th of March. That one. Oh. Get her a card and get her some flowers. You can't go wrong with that, can you?
Oh, there's one for Nan.
Nan. Oh,
Can't
whoever's
forget.
lucky to have a Nan alive. They're nice for your Nan.
Nan's
You're
house.
going to keep your Nans happy.
Look at New Look. This piece is a New Look, guys. I really like this top. I think it's really classy. This is a nice long length dress as well with long sleeves. Really nice with a leather jacket on top. You look amazing. It's not too pricey either. I love this brown one as well, this stripy one. This was one of my favourites. I think it's a really nice dress. You can wear it with leggings and a leather jacket. It will look amazing. They had a sale on in New Look. Some of the shirts are quite cheap. I think this pink one was about £11.50 if I'm not wrong. I think it was, yeah. Nice pinky colour. Quite light pink. Leather jacket. I really like this leather jacket as well. You really will go with those dresses as well. I think it looks... Leather jacket just makes the outfit look really stylish. But it has to be the right leather jacket though. These bags are amazing, look really expensive, especially the basket look, that rattan look, it looks really nice. I like that round basket bag and that brown and rattan. Looked really amazing. There's some Chanel inspired bags as well, to be honest. Chanel's really expensive, obviously we can't afford that, but we can dream about it. That bag's really nice actually. I love the combination.
I love this Brooklyn bag as well to put your maybe grocery shopping or a beach bag.
It's like Chanel inspired.
This is Chanel inspired.
It's like a beach bag. How much is it?
Doesn't say.
$23.99. Not bad, is it? Hat with it. Off.
50% off.
The bag's nice underneath. That bag. Oh, it's off. $11.99. That's cool. That bag's nice. $24.99. That's not on sale.
Lift it up.
Look at my little nephew.
Wow.
He's trying to be Incredible Hulk. Bless him. Well
Are you
done.
so strong, Ayan?
Just at Mum's house.
Wow.
He's trying to eat the whole cucumber.
You gonna eat all of
Bless
that?
him.
You gonna
He's
eat
such
all
an
of it?
attention seeker. But I love him to
Yeah.
bits. My little munchkin.
Mhm.
He's showing off because we're watching him.
Hi, my lovelies. I'm just gonna end this vlog now, but I thought I'll just unpack something with you from Amazon that I ordered. So it's like a spoon rest. It's actually called Big Nose. What a strange name. Big Nose Deer 4-pack ceramic spoon rest and a holder. So let's see how this looks like. I was waiting. I didn't open it. I had it a couple of days ago, but I didn't open it. I thought I'd open it together. So let me just open it. I've got a pen here. Should get a spoon really, but I don't know. Just got a pen. You know me. I'm not very organised at all. I hope everybody's having a good weekend. Well, it's Monday tomorrow. Back to work. Seriously? Time flies. Okay, so this leather pack. They use so much cardboard, Amazon. For recycling, you have enough already, and then they use loads of cardboard that unnecessary, but maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's a good thing. Okay, let's have a look. Empty box, get rid of that. More recycling that I don't actually need. I hope everyone's having a lovely day. It's Ramadan soon, guys. Is everybody ready for it? Inshallah. Do all your du'as. Start cutting down on your caffeine. You need to do it a couple of weeks before because otherwise you're going to get migraines like I do. Ooh. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's like ceramic spoon holders. I don't know if, let me just take all of them out and show you first. I think the different colours, by the way. Oh, look at that. How beautiful. Look at the texture on this. And look at the colour. The border, like a brown border. And that's got like speckles of white and grey. That's gorgeous. Let's see. There's 4. Oh, that's nice. Black. Classic black. You cannot go wrong with black. And like a brown one. Oh, I'm really happy with that. Let me check the holder. There's the holder. I just need to figure this out now. How am I gonna okay, hold these plates together. So I think it's like stick it in like that. Sorry, it's all over the place. Like that, and then hang on, yeah, I've got it. Oh, look at that. That really looks really nice. I'm sure you can find room in your kitchen. Because I don't know about you guys, but every time I cook, I make a right mess. Although I keep on using this plate to put my rest. For example, like if I'm making pasta in one pan, I'm making sauce and piaz and all, you know, curry in the other pan. So I try not to. I don't like mixing the spoons
with the other handy that I'm making. So what I do, I mess everything up. I just put it onto the units, a spoon, and it just makes a mess, or I'll mix them all up. So I think this is quite cool. It's a good idea actually, because like you can put one spoon on here, another one on there while you're cooking a lot of dishes. So I think that's a very good idea, so they won't get mixed up. It can be unnecessary. You probably think, oh nah, what unnecessary, but I think it looks quite nice. And then obviously you can just wash them, and they're like dishwasher safe as well. And I think it looks really nice because they're really like stylish as well. So they'll go beautiful in a corner in your kitchen. They won't take that much room as well. And I think a spoon rest is a thing now, isn't it? So I think it will look really nice and really organised as well. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to actually put that. Give me a second, I'll take you with me. 1 second. Thank you for coming downstairs with me. I'm just going to place them here. I think that's a really nice space for that, because obviously the cooker's just here as well, and that will go beautifully. So every time, let me just show you, for example, it's a bit silly, but I'll show you. Just when you're cooking here, just take one of them, put your chumach, your spatula, whatever you use, stick it on there, and that's fine, as you can see there. I think it's a really good space for it, to be honest. I love it, I absolutely love it. I think it makes such a difference to the kitchen as well. It's like, it doesn't look ugly. You know, some of them are so ugly looking, the spoon rest. But I think this is really nice. It's such a good idea, and they look like proper stone, but the ceramic. So yeah, that's a good idea, guys. Amazon, if anyone's interested, you can go. Why am I doing that with this? I'm not hitting nobody, am I? I'm not cooking now. I've cooked enough. But thank you again for joining me on my channel. As always, I really appreciate it. Please message me, comment, subscribe, press on the bell icon so you don't miss any videos, which I do upload quite a bit when I can, when I get a chance. But please just message me or comment what you want to see, whatever you want to see. Obviously I'll try my best to do a video on it as soon as I can in my busy schedule. But I'm never too busy for you. You're my new friends. But anyway, make sure you look after yourselves and look after your families, and I hope to see you very soon on my channel. Please join me again if you want to, if you think I'm interesting enough. If not, may Allah bless you all, and Khuda Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.